Hi everyone, and today's video is I wanna clean my shoes. I'm taking them out now because it's winter here and I need the boots now for winter. I've been wearing this and as you can see it's really dirty. This is my everyday or my work shoes. So it's kind of dirty, so I'm going to wear that, and then Christmas will be coming up soon. Well, Christmas party will be next month, so these boots I haven't wear this. I might give it a tender TLC because as you can see it's covered with dust. So this one is as well need TLC. As you can see it's covered with dust. So I want to share with you how I clean my shoes or boots. Ankle boots, I got 1, 2, 3, 4 and 2 leather heel below the knee boots, and that's a flat one. And also I'll show you how I clean my boots. Anyway, like, what did I use? Don't wanna use some complicated things. So my secret is how I clean it. I'm using wipes. This is my go-to wipes because they're 100% water wipes, so I clean them first. So it's really good shoes, comfortable, perfect for rainy season. This leather conditioner or wipes, so this is the best one as well to have. Look at that. Really dusty. See? See? Did you see that? It's really dusty. So, time to clean up. Ta-da! Better. Okay, this one I wore it the other day, so I start cleaning them. This is from now give it a wipes, leather wipes. Not bad. Need just brush it off. That's it. That's it. Just remove the dust. It's not as good as before. Look at that. And I have boots with it. Here's the other one as well. This one is from Aldo as well. I thought before these are similar color, but not. This one is like gray and this is like cream or beige. This is gray. So guys, sweat like this and just brush it off. Brush it off. No need wipe. They're just dust. I haven't worn them. There's a bit dust in here, so just wipe that one. that's it. That's how I take care of my. And as you can see, I have stuffing here. My stuffing. Then my favorite one is this one is my favorite among all. This is and she is, how old this boot is? She is 2018. She's probably 7 years old. My goodness, 2018. She's still in good condition. She's my basic Ugg boots. As you can see, they are dust. I only brush them because just dust. Yeah. There, I have Ugg cleaner. If you want to watch the video, I will link down below. I stop it with, as usual, bubble wrap to stay in shape. So yeah, one of my favorite boots. So those are my winter boots collection. And